Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a little wedding favour box, or maybe just a little gift box, but I thought wedding season is coming. It's on its way. Sort of April through to September is real height of wedding season. And I thought, you know, this might be quite nice, or maybe is just a table favour for a bridal shower or some hen party, something like that. But it's using the what's the paper called? Flowering Fields. I was trying to say something else, but I wasn't quite right. So this is the paper. It is beautiful. Oh, hello, Fauna. You brought me a toy to play fetch with. Come on. Off you go. Beautiful, beautiful paper with the stunning tulips. That is just glorious. And then the more muted, neutral colours on the back. This is the paper I used before, and that's the back. Sort of paint washed, I think is the word. More tulips and I can't play. She's not very good at, well, she's very good at the fetch. Look at the clouds. Oh, they're lovely. And these are hand painted. This is the paper I'm going to use today. But just look at those. I love tulips. We have them in the garden. Nature does all of the growing thing for me because I can't. Right, piece of paper, 6 by 6 inches, 15 1/4 by 15 1/4 centimetres. And, oh, you're back. Okay, look, if I throw it down the end of the hall, hopefully she'll go and not come back. On the first side, so keep it, if it's got a pattern that is the right versus wrong way up, start with it the right way up and score it at 1 inch, 2 3/4, 3 3/4, and 5 1/2, and that's all in inches. In metric, 2 1/2, 7, 9 1/2, 14. And then on the short side, on what you can see to be the base, score it again at 1 inch, which is 2 1/2 centimetres. Actually, the finished size is 1 inch by 1 3/4 by 5 inches, which in centimetres, 2 1/2 by 4 1/2 by 12 3/4. Oh, for goodness sake. Oh, she hit the trimmer then. Right. Okay. Little kitty. So this is a nice quick project. So if you are making them en masse as table favours, or, you know, you're making a lot of them, nice easy project to do. So you could, I don't know, if you're doing them as wedding favours, you could get all of your bridal party over, the ladies obviously, because that's a bridal shower hen party kind of thing. Where's my snips? My snips have gone again. Dear me. Big scissors. Yeah, you could, you know, like make it a little bridal shower. Fun thing to do. So I've nicked off a tiny little bit at the top. I wouldn't get your nose any closer, Fauna, because I'll have your whiskers off. And all I'm doing is I will separate these bits, which you can't see all that well on this pattern. So let me no, you still can't see it there either. What I've done is I've just cut all those pieces and taken that little bit away. Do you think you're helping me by sitting there? Right. A little bit of tear and tape. Oh, I've got to the end of the roll. Hold, please. It's a good job I've got another one right behind me, which I now can't find the end on. There's the end. Peel off the backing. There is nothing for you to play with here. And they fold it over and press down. So yes, if you were doing this as a group of you for, you know, an event coming up, you could have a little production line. So you could have somebody cutting and somebody scoring. Ow, oof, somebody's sticking the paper piercer in their finger. No, not recommended. Ouch. Yeah, somebody's scoring and then somebody with an actual pair of snips. Trimming, and then somebody putting the adhesive on, and then somebody else doing something else. It could be good fun. So that's the box. Push in at the sides with your fingers, and it's going to naturally stop somewhere, often where the paper is. And I'm going to leave mine like this. I push this one all the way down, but just for photo aesthetics, to show you the difference, I'm going to leave that one like that. Right, next thing, some ribbon. So in toning, really in toning colour. And I went with the Highland Heather for 2 reasons. One, because it matched, and also because this was one of my thank you gifts to everybody who shopped with me last month. And I gave everybody a spool of this along with, it was a clear block I gave this month. And obviously my little handmade treat as well. You're going to assist, aren't you? I need a peg to hold that shut. Do you think I can reach one? No, we're just going to have to wing it and hope that it stays closed. So yeah, everybody got a spool of that ribbon. Oliver helped me pack. He was very good. Wanted to earn some extra pocket money. And yeah, he did that. He put all of the gifts into the bag and then, oh, you see, that's a load of rubbish, isn't it? That's just no good. We'll pretend it's fine. Yeah, he put all of the gifts in, then I came along with my little newsletter. I write a newsletter every month that goes in my goodie packs, and then I put in the handmade goodie too. So I thought this would be a nice way to show you what you could do with this ribbon. Oh, those are excessively long tails. It's all good. So, and like I said, because we're working on the theory that this is a swift project to make, we're doing a little bit of punching and stamping and then some butterflies. So Cloud Punch, which is possibly my favourite punch in this catalogue, doesn't have a stamp set that goes with it. No bad thing. And yeah, stamp it. And then we've got Wedding Wishes here, but there's all sorts on this set. Loving happiness, love and happiness. You're engaged, here's to love and happiness, happy anniversary. To the one I love, congratulations. I'm going to stick again with the Wedding Wishes because I just think it's lovely. And is that Wedding Wishes? No, no, I've lost it. There it is. And then, oh, I probably should have stamped then punched, shouldn't I? That would have been a bit more sensible. Oh well. And then Highland Heather. Can you move your bottom fauna? I need the Highland Heather. Yeah, stamp first, then punch. But we'll aim and hope it goes on. And it will fit pretty much straight across that bit. Upside down. Not completely sure I knew what happened then, but something happened on my phone that I film from now because technical. Right. And then these are the brushed brass butterflies, and they come in 2 sizes, so large and small, as you can see. 2 sizes, and yes, they are brushed. I don't know that I can get close enough. So it's not super shiny, but brushed. It's lovely. So I'm going to have 3 of them. One there, and a little one because small. And oh, new packet of dimensionals. So I'm going to take 3 of these. Add it on the front. And that, I think, is a rather lovely little favour. But like I say, you can change up the colour, change up the style, change up the theme, whatever it is. But I was going for quick. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.